Hi everyone, welcome SAS Programming 90 days. Today is day 40. So welcome in SAS VIYA session. So in the last session we are doing the econometrics. Now we are going in more deep in the econometrics. So in the last we have done the cross-sectional data model. So we are in the cross-sectional data model. Continue we are doing in this. We are exploring more models. So last model we have done in the cross-section model. Now we are going for the Probit model. So Probit model is also called the Probit regression. Is a way to perform regression for binary outcome variables. So binary outcomes variable are dependent variables with the two possibilities like yes or no. Positive test results, negative test results, or the single or not single. So if we have two possibilities like yes or no, if result is negative or the positive or single or not, so we are using this Probit model. So you can also say this is a Probit regression. Same like the regression, we have done the linear regression, we have done the logistic regression, same like the regression. Now this is also the cross-section model and part of the econometrics. The world of Probit is the combination of words probability and unit. The probability model estimates the probability of probability a value will fall into one of the possible binary outcomes. So probability model in the statics, the probability model is a type of regression where dependent variable can take only two values. Examples of when you might use a Probit model. So you want to know if particular candidate will win an election. The response variable is either 0 for win or 1 is equal to 0 for win and 1 for loss. You want to know how variable like prestige of a certain low school undergraduate GPA affect the whether a job candidate will be hired. The person variable hire don't hire is binary variable. So let's see in the SAS VIYA studio. So we are in the SAS studio. So this is a SAS studio in the SAS VIYA. So I click on the developer SAS code. In this we are in the cross-sectional data model. So we are using the Probit here. So well, first of all I selected one data, that is SAS help.snacks. Okay, and the dependent variable I put it the as the price, and in the model I selected the Probit model. Okay, so this is I selected. Now they automatically SAS VIYA automatically created the proculum data sasl.snacks, and the model is the price discrete, the distribution is equal to normal, and limit 1 is equal to 0. So I'm taking the continuous variable, so I'm taking the holiday advertised and the quality sold as my continuous variable. Now you can see here automatically they created they put it the all the into the model. Okay, now I click on the run. Now you can see here we the SAS Probit model is executed. Now you can see here discrete response of profile of price value 0.99 is 600 sorry 6006, and the 1.49, so this is in the dollars amount. Okay, so this is the frequency of the value and total frequency. So now we have the number of integrates variable. Okay, so we have this is account total iteration is 19 here. So this is the goodness of fit measures. Now we have the algorithms on that covered. So we have the parameter estimates here. So introspect this holiday for this df is there, estimate, standard error, t value, and the approx. So this is a predictor price by regressor. So you can see here maximum the predictor by price, you can see here 0 to 1. So because in the regression, because this is a categorical one, so that will be come from 0 and maximum go for 1. Same here. But here this is the quality sold. In the quality sold, they are showing how many quality is sold. So maximum 3 quality is sold. Okay, so what is the quality sold? 3 is maximum for this price. After for 120 price, we have not sold to enough. So this is showing here. So you can add in the category. Let's suppose I'm adding the product here. So I added the product here in the categorical one. Now you can see here, now my output will be according to the product wise. So it's take a time to execute the code, because they will be distributed according to the product. So now you can see here, so this the classification is done according to the product. Level is 35. Now all the product name are here, and let's maximize this. And we have this the parameter estimate. Okay, according to the product we have this the okay, next we have predicted price by regressor. So this is the regressor by quality sold, advertised. Okay, holiday. So that will be maximum go to 0 to 1. Okay, this is all the predictor by the product. Okay, so this is all by the product. If you want to see by the product how they are going, so you can add the categorical as the product, and you can see that according to the product also. Also in the model option we have the custom model. Now in the custom model you can add the introspect here. So let's suppose I'm adding the quality sold here. Okay, quality sold I added. Then I press the OK. Now you can see something change in the model. Okay, so let's suppose if you have some data where is the price and the quantity is available, so you can also multiply that quality by price. Okay, now you can see here the predicted pricer by the regressor. Now we have this quality sold in the introspect, and they will be created like this. So you can add the introspect if you want in the Probit model, and you can analyze this like okay. So this is why only the quality sold, nothing else here, only the quality sold is here. Okay, then we have the options. In the options we have the plots. If you are looking for the selected plots, so you can add the selected plots here. So we have the many plots we have predicted by regression, same like the in the linear regression or the logistic regression we have, same like here. So you can select particular one and you can add that one here, and you can use this one. Also next we have the output. In the output, same like the linear and the logistic regression, we have the in the Probit. You can save this data and you can use this data for the further use. And this is the information about my model what I created. So this is all about the Probit in the SAS Econometrics, the cross-sectional data model. Thank you guys. Next sessions we will go more in the econometrics, and we will explore more the econometrics feature. Thank you.